That was a little extra.
So this, my friends, is the glass sound speaker.
You're not in C, by the way.
I'm trying to get, okay. Create a cozy atmosphere with room-filling sound. You know, that's what they say about me.
I think we could leave that in there because you were so off that we can't even get copyright claim.
All right. That looks sus. I mean, what the This is very heavy. Like, much heavier than it looks. It's super, super dense. Oh, I turned it on. Oh, is it touch control? Oh, it's touch control. So you can slide, so that's all the way forward, or you can slide it down.
It's supposed to be like a candlelight type thing.
Why is it all the way at the bottom? It doesn't fill up that tube at all.
I mean, it's a nice little cozy sort of vibe. Oh! A lot of bass. Like enough to rumble the table. Oh, see, that sounds good. Get him, Chief. This is an interesting speaker because it looks cool, and I think that that's a big reason why you buy this, right? It looks very interesting. The sound, though, is not amazing. It doesn't wow me in the way that this kind of price should. The bass kind of rumbles over everything. I do think, though, that I'm gonna do the rest of this video lit by candlelight.
No, you won't.
No. Oh, it's weird now. I'm a weirdo crouching around a Bluetooth speaker. So, you may be familiar with an episode of Mystery Tech recently where we got to take a look at an incredibly cool custom Game Boy made by the one and only Jake Simmons. Well, Jake is here. Welcome to Mystery Tech, my friends. You've been wanting to do that for a while, haven't you?
Yeah, I've been wanting to do this for a while.
So Jake is a Game Boy aficionado. He does an incredible amount of modding to make some of the coolest custom Game Boys ever. Today, we're gonna build one together. Hit me, what you got?
So, we've got this pretty destroyed
Oh my God,
SP.
dude. Did you drag this behind a truck? Where did
No.
you find this?
I have a Game Boy guy. I got a guy. So I didn't know if you wanted your overclock orange.
Oh, that looks great.
I'm kind of just gonna let you loose and see what you can do.
That's how you get the best content.
Yeah,
Okay. Man, that's
bad.
So I can see that you soldered on a USB-C where the charger went.
It's actually really simple. There's so many people in the community that just do everything. They have complete schematics. They have got it down to the point where it's literally just, there's one tab right there.
Oh, I see where you soldered it down.
And that's all you need for the positive line. And then securing it down will get you the negative.
So it's the whole little board that you just drop right in.
Yep.
That's incredible.
You know BlackBerry phones? They still make phones.
Okay, BlackBerry, got it.
That's a BlackBerry screen.
No.
Serious.
This is like the most 2000s video ever. So I have what, 3 wires to solder? How hard could it be?
Don't say that.
Flashback to that clip.
I think I can handle it. All right, so iron coming in.
There you go. Beautiful. Give it a little pull.
That fast?
Yep, it's that fast.
Wow. Okay. Okay. Oh, what do we have here? I definitely thought that was a Z Flip skin because if you look at it, it kind of looks like the 2 camera bumps and everything.
You know that's what I was trying to go for, right?
Is that really?
Yeah.
Oh!
Wait, how did? Oh, he didn't get it. Oh my God.
That is crispy. This screen looks great. It is so bright and vivid. And the scaling also looks pretty sharp.
That's great.
Look, I am bad all the time. What? Go away, Bowser! The only reason Daisy likes you is because you kidnap her, bro. Get some real game.
That's not how.
Daisy, what?
Super Mario Land.
Yeah.
Yeah, one game out of like the 80? Don't defend him.
Is that Wordle?
Oh, it is Wordle.
Don't tell the New York Times though.
Oh, I only got one. Wait, so
You-
look, I gotta
He's
get
a Wordle.
Look, you gotta get a little wiggle going on. Wait,
Wait, don't. Oh.
what's this?
Oh.
What is that?
Is this an AV connector? Oh my God!
That's cool.
What? You can do this?
I'm here to do it so you don't have to. Okay. I'm just saying, like.
It's a word.
Jake, where can people find you?
They can find me at youtube.com/Jake Simmons.
You could win this by subscribing to your channel right now. Dude, this is a sweet DMG, man. Wow. This will be available once I'm done with it.
Wait, what? Where are you going? There's no door. Where are you?
This video is sponsored by Dark Nemesis Infinite Quest. Dark Nemesis is an exciting new mobile MMORPG. As you can see, this game is full of action. You take control of a peacekeeper to rise against the powers of evil that threaten the world today. With full 3D graphics and an immersive story, you'll be hooked for hours. The game is extremely easy to pick up and play, with you able to start and finish battles within a few minutes, which makes this perfect especially for me. If I've got to sit there for more than a few minutes, I'm not gonna have the time. The gameplay features epic PvP battles that allow you to team up with other players to fight in real time to be the last one standing. Whether it's 5v5 or even a massive 10v10 battle, these are truly something to experience. And that doesn't even mention the weapon system. In Dark Nemesis, you take control of Spirits, a creature which can be used as a mount to help you traverse the world, or as a powerful weapon that changes depending on what class you choose. You don't need to leave style out of the equation either, with tons of wings and companions to collect that come in a wide variety of designs. You can play Dark Nemesis completely free on iPhone or Android today by using the link in the description and using the code WINGSNOW. And don't forget to check out their event, create your own video with hashtag Dark Nemesis, and you'll have a chance to win gift cards and in-game rewards. Thank you to Dark Nemesis for sponsoring this video. Everyone just take a quick breather, prepare yourself.
Go fast.
Is that Sonic the Hedgehog? Oh boy! Where's my Sonic mask?
Yeah, boy, let's go. It smells like a dentist's office in here. You know when they put their gloves in your mouth? What the is this? This is the whole item. It's just a Sonic necklace that looks like it's actually maybe real jewelry or something.
It is Sonic Bling. It's actually ice.
Yo, I'm Sonic. What's up? I'm just straight chilling, you know, with my boy Knuckles and Jim Carrey, who's a close personal friend of myself.
This is the whitest Sonic I've ever seen. And he's blue.
Really? I'm honored, thank you.
What?
As someone who never, ever wears a chain, this feels cool. No, no, no! How could you?
That was so aggressive.
Or at least it's just an innovative smart LED sling bag and nothing that's fragile or expensive. The bag, I'm not really sure what I expected there. I was like legitimately confused for a second.
Why is it always just smelling?
Does it smell like Wish or does it smell like Amazon?
It smells a little like Wish.
Oh god.
A little wishy here.
Oh, that's never good.
Okay, well we've got a USB port. Thank you very much, sir. So we're gonna plug this in, activate. Oh!
Hot!
I mean, the bag is made for me after all. Oh, great. You have to log in. Let's create an account to use your bag. Whoa! So inside the app, you literally just open up one of the pixel art like things that people have made and it just instantly works. Ready? Boom! This is cool, this is pretty cool. A little persona action here.
Ooh, okay.
This is a little aggressive. It's a little aggressive. I'm not a huge fan of that one. Okay, I saw that one coming. But you know how it is when you want to be the very best. The best that ever was. I really don't know where my thumb goes. There was some force behind that. I did it with 9 fingers.
Look at how thick Vulpix's thighs are.
Vulpix don't skip leg day.
That just didn't sound good.
That sounds like it broke.
Y'all really like leaning in the Pokemon theme, don't you? A Pokemon interactive watch and some more nonsense. Y'all want to explain yourself right now?
It's a whip.
Look, being a Pokemon trainer is not easy.
This is a different kind of training, friend.
It's a wireless jump rope.
Can I just ask a very simple question? Mm-hmm. Why? Who
Why not?
needs a wireless jump rope? Isn't that the point? You're supposed to jump over it? I don't like this. This is not good. So I just do this?
You feel like you're jumping rope?
No, I don't at all.
I think technology has come so far.
I think this is doing exactly what it's promising.
Oh,
That's actually kind of cute.
Actually not that bad. Dude, this thing for 30 bucks, actually pretty good. I mean, we gotta try the camera, right? don't know if that's the most flattering photo of myself that I've ever seen. That felt heavy and aggressively thrown. Y'all just need to get some energy out. You got a lot of pent up something going on over here. Ready? What is this? Is it a yellow keyboard? Oh, is it Cyberpunk?
No.
No, you idiot.
What?
What are you wearing?
Oh, it's Pokemon. Don't mind me. I'll just be doing my thing over here.
So we should point out that if you couldn't judge from the fact that it says Pokemon Asia, this is stuff that you cannot buy in the US, at least officially, through Razer's official networks. What keyboard is that, does it say?
I don't know what it's based on. It's a mecha membrane keyboard.
Oh, look at that. It's Pikachu's tail.
I mean, that actually is pretty cool, yeah. Oh, that's not terrible for a membrane keyboard. In addition to the keyboard,
Oh, you have
the
a
wrist
palm
rest.
Nay.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I don't know why they don't sell this in the US. This is rad.
Because,
Licensing.
yeah.
Oh, yes. I will say, as a big fan of Black and Yellow, I'm just saying. I'm just saying. I came prepared today.
I'm not gonna lie though, the mouse pad pretty generic.
I will say, if you look at it, it's a different shade of yellow, right? It's a little bit darker, which I think actually doesn't help it that much. I'll actually say the mouse probably pulls the aesthetic together the best. You have the little like Pikachu tail, which is where I'm sure the LED is. You've got your little red buttons and red accents. None of these accessories feel like they're the super expensive high-end equivalents on the Razer side. Instead, you're getting this much more so, I think, for the aesthetic. Look, isn't it cool? I'm being lit by the glow of the mouse right now and the brightness of my display.